Good morning, it's Jeff and Wilma at Budrum, and this morning I want to show you these sweet potatoes I just dug this morning. The reason why I want to show you these is have a look at this. They all came out in one bunch.
Wow, that's
Isn't that
amazing.
beautiful?
Yeah.
That's another bunch of the gold. Only one came off the... This shows what I was saying on our other video, how you plant the runner, and there's the runner, starts there and goes along there, and that's the runner that you plant. And the same thing on this one. You can see, and it goes along there and it comes up to there, and they all grow off that runner. I had 5 plants in this row, which is about 12 feet long, and now I've dug the first 2. I'm going to dig the last 3 directly, and you can see what you do is you keep the foliage trimmed. So I had the foliage trimmed right along there and right along there. So I'm going to dig another plant, see if it's as good as the first ones.
Did it show that it was going to be like that when you went to dig it?
Well, it looked impressive from the surface, but you never know what they're going to be like until you dig them, because sometimes they look big at the top and they don't go down very far.
Oh.
So that's what you see on the surface, right?
Yeah.
So
Oops.
break it off. There's this one here.
Just be careful when you dig the fork.
What I did was I planted a purple, gold, purple, gold, purple. That's what I've been doing. And I'm going to plant them again. I'm going to plant, this is our last opportunity to plant sweet potatoes for the season. So I'm going to stagger them. So I'm going to put gold, purple, gold, purple, gold.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
The ones down the other end, near the fork, didn't produce as many. Had a big burial there a while back. And I think it might have had too much nitrogen for sweet potatoes, plus the fact there's a lot of roots in that area from the Monasterios. So the Monsterio roots have travelled all that distance. See all these roots here?
All right. Yeah.
The Monasterios are growing here and taking up a lot of the nutrition.
Oh.
And probably starving the sweet potatoes. So this is what we got out of the 5 plants, which I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, it's great.
So I'll just sort of wash them. Even though we get sweet potatoes like that, I don't ignore these ones.
No, they're nice.
I don't ignore those.
No.
I cut them up and make a mash out of them.
Makes them sparkle, doesn't it?
Yeah. So we've got to use up all these before we dig the next lot. We're going to have to get the recipe books out. Look for sweet potato recipes.
Yes.
So these are the next ones we're going to harvest, and that's, you can looking at that, they're ready to harvest now. But I'll give them a bit longer. So we've got 3 purple on one side and 3 gold on the other side. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. Bye.